It's Tuesday. I should be looking at Wanda behind me here. But you know how you get in the groove of doing something, and even when you reach that point of exhaustion, you just keep pushing a little further, and you get a few hours of sleep, and you wake up the next day, and you just get right back to it. Oh, that's this place. That's setting up. I have a few more things to do to finish up this side. And then I can get my head where it needs to be. To take a look at this and the rest of these. More soon. Wrenches were powdered and wrapped in rubber, and others all packed into tool rolls and such, and zippered bags. It's a 38-pound bag of pliers, a 40-pound bag of hammers, and there's more. Tuesday, noontime. I'm almost done. Well, I'm never really done, but I'm almost at the point where I can do something. It's Tuesday. I am beat. It's 5 p.m. Here's where we're at. Tammy has dinner ready. I'm out of here. See you again very soon. Thank you.